Side effects of flax seeds. The origins of the plant-based food flaxseed are in southern Europe and Asia. Since ancient times, these golden yellow to reddish-brown seeds have also been utilized in medicine. Given that they include beneficial lipids, vitamins, omega-3 fatty acids, and fiber, the seeds are regarded as being healthful. However, consuming too many flax seeds may have negative effects. Here are some side effects of flax seeds. 1. Allergic reactions. You are very likely to be allergic to flax seeds and flaxseed oil. If you experience any itching, swelling, redness, or hives after eating these seeds, you should stop immediately. An allergy may also be indicated by nausea and vomiting. People who regularly eat flax seeds are more likely to experience allergic responses. 2. Increased bleeding. High quantities of omega-3 fatty acids can be found in flax seeds. These fatty acids are essential for the body's systems, including the brain, heart, and blood vessels. They can also result in blood disorders such as anemia, which can induce weariness and lightheadedness. Omega-3 fatty acids have a reputation for promoting bleeding and slowing down blood coagulation. They prevent blood platelets from aggregating, which is an essential step in the development of a blood clot. 3. May induce loose stools. Despite the fact that flax seeds are high in dietary fiber, an abrupt increase in consumption may result in more bowel movements. Additionally, bloating, diarrhea, constipation, and stomach pain are possible side effects. 4. Lead to intestinal blockage. Flax seeds are best consumed with water or another beverage, but if you don't drink enough, you risk developing intestinal blockages and obstructions. Patients with scleroderma are especially at risk since flax seeds can seriously impede digestion and produce severe constipation. 5. Reactive with other medication. Due to their high fiber content, flax seeds can cause constipation and intestinal obstruction. Certain nutrients and drugs lose their ability to be absorbed when this condition exists. It is advised to avoid it, especially if you are on an oral blood sugar-lowering medicine. 6. Unsafe during pregnancy. Because of their close resemblance to estrogen, flax seeds might be dangerous for expectant mothers. Therefore, it is advised to consume flax seeds only if your doctor deems it fit. It might disturb your body's hormonal equilibrium. It might also result in modifications to the menstrual cycle in some circumstances. Flax seeds are a nutritious addition to a person's diet because they are full of important vitamins and nutrients. Although flaxseed is usually regarded as being harmless, diverticulosis sufferers are advised to avoid eating seeds that could become lodged in their diverticula. However, there isn't any conclusive research to back up this assertion. However, excessive intake could have negative consequences. In this video, we described what those are, so it is advisable to consult a doctor before you add this. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.